How to cure canker sore with baking soda. Canker sore, mouth ulcers or aphthous ulcers occurs inside the mouth on the lips, cheek, tongue and throat. They appears in yellow or white with a red border. Although they are not contagious, they can cause you a lot of stress and pain. Some possible causes are poor diet, stress, food allergies, low immune system, etc. with symptoms of a burning or tingling sensation, fever and swollen lymph glands. Baking soda for canker sores. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline compound that can be used for treating many health and beauty problems, including canker sores. It acts as an antacid, alkalizing agent, cavities washer and exfoliator. Below are baking soda's properties which explain why it is good at healing the sores. Baking soda neutralizes the acid or acidity in mouth and soothes the pain caused by cancer sore. It balances the pH levels of the mouth and body. It effectively lessens the ability of bacteria to get into the salivary glands. It has anti-inflammatory property that helps to reduce the swelling and inflammation. It has anti-bacterial and anti-fungal, antiseptic properties that helps to kill the bacteria, shield ulcers from infection, freshen the breath and keeps all infection away from the mouth. The baking soda paste acts as a protective layer. How to use baking soda to treat cancer sores. 1. Baking soda with water. This process is widely used to treat canker sores on the lips, gums, tongue, throat, etc. to get quick relief from the pain and adds a protective layer on the mouth. Process. Mix 1 tablespoon water and 1 teaspoon baking soda to make a fine paste. Apply this on the affected areas of the mouth either with a cotton ball or your fingers. Leave for a few minutes to get dry. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and gargle to clear the bacteria and the acid that causes canker sores. Repeat the same process once daily. 2. Baking soda. This process may cause some irritation, so test it first before continuing. Process. Apply a sufficient amount of baking soda directly on the sore either with cotton swab or your finger. Leave for a few hours. This process helps to neutralize the acid reaction and eases the pain. Wash your mouth with lukewarm water to remove the bacteria. Apply this regularly. 3. Baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and salt. Hydrogen peroxide has anti-bacterial and antiseptic properties that help to kill the bacteria and reduces the inflammation. Salt prevents the bacterial infection and draws out the fluids from the sore to heal faster. Process. Combine small amounts of baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, 3%, and salt. Rinse the mouth with this solution 4 to 5 times a day. 4. Baking soda with aloe vera. Aloe vera has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that help to ease the pain, speed up the healing and cures the canker sores effectively. Process. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with aloe vera juice. Take small quantity of baking soda and place this on the sore directly with either cotton ball or fingers. Leave it like that for few minutes and then again rinse off with water. Follow the same process until the problem is gone. 5. Baking soda mouthwash. Rinsing your mouth will help you to cure the canker sores by eliminating the bacteria and soothing the pain. Process. Mix 1/2 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda until the baking soda has dissolved completely. Use this to rinse your mouth and gargle. Make sure that not to swallow this mixture. Do this once a day. 6. Baking soda with salt. Ingredients. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon water, 3/4 to 1 cup. Process. Mix equal quantities of baking soda and salt. Add sufficient amount of water and stir well. Apply this mixture on the canker sores. Leave for a few minutes and rinse it off with the remaining water. Or you can simply use this as a mouthwash and continue doing this process for at least 3 to 4 days. 7. Baking soda with salt water and liquid Benadryl. Ingredients. Baking soda, 2 teaspoons. Warm water, 1 cup. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Liquid Benadryl. Process: add baking soda and salt to warm water. Stir it well and add liquid Benadryl. Swish this around your mouth for a few minutes. Spit out the mixture, do not swallow. Regularly follow up this process. 8. Baking soda with peppermint oil and water. Ingredients: baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon. Peppermint essential oil, 2 to 3 drops. Water, 2 ounces. Process: mix water, baking soda and peppermint essential oil together. Use this as a mouthwash. Use this regularly. Tips and precautions to be followed while using baking soda. Even though baking soda is good for curing canker sores, follow the below-mentioned tips and precautions for minimal side effects. Baking soda might sting a bit, so be careful while applying. Regularly use baking soda mouthwash, particularly after each meal and before bedtime. You can also use baking soda as a tooth powder to brush your teeth. Baking soda has high levels of sodium, so it's better to limit the quantity you use. You should rinse out your mouth thoroughly with water after using. People who are suffering with blood pressure problems, on a diet control, or who have restricted their sodium intake should avoid using these remedies or consult their doctor. Never delay to make an appointment with your doctor or dentist if anything goes wrong. Use Arm & Hammer Dental Care baking soda tooth powder, which is SLS free.